In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple variables in Typeform. This is a great tool to learn if you're looking to personalize your forms or create dynamic questionnaires that respond to user inputs in real time. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate over to www.typeform.com. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage. You'll find the login button there. Give that a click to proceed to the login page. You'll now be prompted to enter your credentials. Typeform offers a few options for this step. You can log in using an email address and password, or you might find it convenient to use an account linked with Google, Microsoft, or another authentication service if you've set that up previously. Go ahead and enter your details, and when you're ready, click that login button. Now that you're logged in, it's time to get to the heart of the task. Choose the Typeform you want to use for this tutorial. Once you have it open, look for the Logic tab. This is where we begin to incorporate variables into your Typeform. Within the Logic tab, you'll see an option for variables. Click on it to start managing these variables. At this point, you're going to want to add new variables with meaningful names. Make sure to decide whether each should be a number or text type based on what kind of data you plan on storing within them. Next, it's time to assign values to your variables. This is an important step as it allows you to store and utilize data dynamically within your Typeform. To make this even more powerful, within each question you'll need to access the logic settings. Here you'll select Add Logic and choose Branching. By using branching logic, you can create rules based on the choices that users make when answering questions. These rules will update the value of your chosen variable, which can then be used to tailor subsequent questions or messages in your form. To truly make your Typeform dynamic, you might want to display a variable's value within a question. You can do this simply by using the @ symbol followed by the variable name directly in the text field of the question. If you have different categories, it's smart to create separate variables for each one, such as history score or science score. Within each category's questions, you can then add logic rules to update the corresponding variable based on the user's responses, ensuring that each section of your form adapts to their answers. Finally, after you've meticulously set up your variables and logic rules, don't forget to hit save. This action will retain all your hard work and you'll have a Typeform that's interactive and engaging, all thanks to the power of variables.